In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and DreamHost and set up the right hosting path for your website. If you build websites, run a blog, manage client projects, or operate a digital business, your hosting choice has a direct impact on speed, user experience, and even search visibility. Cloudways and DreamHost are both well-known platforms, but they are built on very different ideas. Understanding that difference is the key to making the right decision. DreamHost, on its entry-level plans, mainly follows the traditional shared hosting model. That means your website lives on a server with many other websites. If another site on that same server suddenly gets a spike in traffic or uses too many resources, your site can slow down as a result. Cloudways works differently. It gives you a managed platform on top of cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS. So your site runs on an isolated virtual server with a dedicated RAM and CPU resources. In simple terms, your performance is much more stable because you are not competing with random neighboring websites. That difference shows up clearly in speed tests. Cloudways has been measured with a back-end time to first byte of around 119 milliseconds, which is extremely fast. DreamHost shared hosting under similar conditions averages around 804 milliseconds. So while both can get a site online, the server response time is dramatically different. Pricing is also important. DreamHost attracts beginners with lower introductory pricing, but those plans usually require a longer commitment and can increase significantly at renewal. Entry plans may also limit things like storage or the number of websites. Cloudways starts at a higher monthly cost, but it uses a pay-as-you-go structure with no forced long-term contract. And you can host multiple websites and applications on a single server as long as your resources support them. If performance and flexibility matter most, go to cloudways.com and sign in to your account, or start the free trial. Open the server section and click Launch Now. From the application options, choose the latest WordPress optimized setup. Then select DigitalOcean as the provider and choose the premium tier for faster NVMe storage. Set the server size to 2 GB of RAM, pick the data center closest to your audience, and launch the server. Provisioning usually completes in just a few minutes. If you want a simpler route, DreamHost is better suited for beginners, hobby bloggers, or small local businesses that prefer a straightforward setup. Just log in, choose an entry plan, complete checkout, and follow the onboarding wizard. Their long money-back guarantee, free domain registration, and built-in domain privacy can make that path feel more comfortable. If you went with Cloudways, open your application, go to domain management, enter your live domain, and set it as primary so the server knows which domain to serve. Finally, review your dashboard carefully, confirm your server name, check that memory and storage usage look healthy, and make sure your SSL certificate is active. Once that all looks good, you are ready to move forward with